Good morning students. Today in English class we will do Hive English Reader book from page number 50. Let's start. In page number 50 we will join the opposites. We have already learned some opposite words in previous class. Now we will join the opposite here. Here this is a long pencil and this one is a short pencil. Long is opposite of short. So we will join long with short. Long, short. Now this is a fat man and this is a thin man. Opposite of fat is thin. So we will join fat with thin, like this. Now the next one. The boy is laughing and the boy is crying. We know that opposite of laugh is cry. We know that opposite of laugh is cry. So we will match laugh with cry, like this. Now the next one. This is a picture of a big bear and this is a small rat. Opposite of big is small. So we will match big with small, like this. Do this at home. Thank you.